Today's video is for all the dads who drive. If your kids keep breaking the things, must watch the video till the end. Guys, welcome back to Good DIY channel. Today I am going to show you how you can repair the broken window switch. Here, as you can see, in my case the button itself is missing. So I have ordered the replacement part online. Let's quickly take it out. We'll pull this tool, put this tool inside, and we'll lift it from all four sides so it comes out gently. Three sides done. Now the fourth side. Once you have the gap on all four sides, you are clear to pull it out. Lift it and it's out. So I have ordered the replacement part online. I could not find the original one, so I have ordered the compatible one. As you can see, this one is original, which came with my car. Okay, let's take it out. So there is a notch in the back side. Press it and pull it. Okay, it's done. Let's put the replacement one. Okay, notch, 6 pin. Okay, let's test it. Working like a charm. Okay, thank you guys. Please subscribe Go DIY for more videos like this. The fitting part, sorry, this I will just simply push it in and it will get connected. Okay, 1 2 3, done. Thank you.